This dance is called the Auld Skilara Hat. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, high beginner level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Then kick that right forward, step back on the right, into a coaster step, 1 and 2 count timing step, stepping the left back, right beside left, step that left forward again. Then step forward on the right and pivot yourself half a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Walk, walk, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot. We're then going to vine to the right. So you can step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. On the and count, you're going to step the left to the side, then touch the right beside the left, and hold. On the and count, you step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch and touch, hold and touch, hold. Let's add that to the top. Walk, walk, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot. Side, behind, side, touch and touch, hold and touch, hold. You're going to vine to the left, so you step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left. We're going to put a quarter of a turn left on this one to start with, making sure you have turned your body, and then scuff that right through. So gentle contact with the ground with the heel of the foot. Then just add on a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on that left. That set of steps once more then, vine quarter turn off on that left. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, scuff, rocking chair. Let's add that to the top. Walk, walk, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot. Side, behind, side, touch and touch, hold and touch, hold. Side, behind, turn, scuff, rocking chair. To finish the dance, we're going to do some modified vaudeville steps. So you're going to cross the right over the left, hold, step that left back, then touch the right heel forward towards the diagonal, hold. Then bring that right back beside the left. And repeat those steps with the left foot leading. Cross the left over the right, hold, step back on that right, step that left heel towards that left diagonal, hold, then bring the left back beside the right. Do that once more. Do it slowly again to start with. So you're crossing the right over the left, hold, step back on the left, touch that right heel forward diagonally, hold, right back beside left. Cross the left over the right, hold, step back on that right, touch that left heel forward on the diagonal, hold, bring the left back beside the right. Sometimes they're easier to do faster than they are to do slowly. So let's just speed it up just a little bit. Off on that right. 7, 8. Cross, hold and heel, hold and cross, hold and heel, hold and. End of the dance when you get to that bit. Let's put it all together. Walk, walk, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot. Side, behind, side, touch and touch, hold and touch, hold. Side, behind, turn, scuff, rocking chair. Cross, hold and heel, hold and cross, hold and heel, hold and. That's your dance. It has got some and counts in it, so I will now go through it with the counts. Walking forward on that right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8 and. So hopefully that just gives you a little bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and I am going to try and speed it up just a little bit as we go around those walls. Walking forward on that right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot. Side, behind, side, touch and touch, hold and touch, hold. Side, behind, turn, scuff, rocking chair. Cross, hold and heel, hold and cross, hold and heel, hold and walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot. Side, behind, side, touch and touch, hold and touch, hold. Side, behind, turn, scuff, rocking chair. Cross, hold and heel, hold and cross, hold and heel, hold and walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot. Side, behind, side, touch and touch, and touch. Side, behind, turn, scuff, rocking chair. Cross and heel, and cross and heel, and. So hopefully you managed to follow that. Did speed it up just a little bit, and I missed out the word hold on that last wall. So that is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 3 after 8 counts. So wall 3 is your back wall. You will end up facing the front when you come to restart. Let's just take you up to 8 counts, restart, so you can see how that fits in. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, restart, walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, and into your line. So hopefully you can see how that restart fits in. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music.
I'm regular lady dancer in the Auld Skilara Hat.
5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, side, behind, side, touch and touch, and touch. Side, behind, turn, scuff, rock, chair, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, side, behind, side, touch and touch, and touch. Side, behind, turn, scuff, rock, chair, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and walk, walk, restart, walk, step in, restart, walk, walk, kick, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, side, behind, side, touch and touch, and touch, the side, behind, turn, step, behind the turnstile, rocking the chair, cross and here, across and here, and walk. Vine, vine, bow the bells, and walk.
The Queen of England just a week ago today.
Vine.
She shook me warmly by the hand and asked me on to take.
Vine.
And says she, I'm glad to see you're looking so fine. In fact,
Bow the bells.
all the time she was staring at the Auld Skilara Hat. It was
Walk.
worn by my father at the Admiral's Wakes and Fair.
Vine.
And all the boys and pretty girls were sure to be all there. It was
Vine.
100 years ago. There were worse for that.
Bow the bells.
Our regular lady dazzler is the Auld Skilara Hat. It was worn by my father at the Admiral's Wakes and Fair. When sticks and stones and broken bones came flying through the air. It was built 100 years ago. There were no words for that. A regular lady dazzler is the Auld Skilara Hat. It was worn by my father at the Admiral's Wakes and Fair. When sticks and stones and broken bones came flying through the air. It was built 100 years ago. There were no words for that. A regular lady dazzler is the Auld Skilara Hat. A regular lady dazzler is me Auld Skilara Hat. Hey!
Hope you managed that one.